Hey everyone, exciting news from Nissan. They're gearing up to make electric cars more affordable and accessible than ever before. Yep, you heard it right. Nissan plans to slash the cost of manufacturing electric vehicles by almost a third by the year 2030. Why? Well, they're ready to take on their Chinese rivals and shake up the electric car market. Nissan, the Japanese carmaker that brought us the beloved Nissan Leaf, isn't slowing down. With a goal to sell an extra 1 million cars by 2026, they're revving up their engines for some major changes. Get this, they're rolling out 30 new models in the next 3 years, and a whopping 16 of those will be electric vehicles. That's a serious commitment to going green. By 2026, they're aiming for electric vehicles to make up 40% of all their sales, and by the end of the decade, they want that number to jump to 60%. Talk about driving change. But how are they planning to make electric cars more affordable? Well, Nissan's got some tricks up its sleeve. They're exploring new battery innovations, revolutionizing manufacturing processes, and teaming up with suppliers to cut costs. It's all about making electric cars not just eco-friendly, but budget-friendly too. And they're not alone in this mission. Car manufacturers around the world are racing to bring down the costs of electric vehicles, especially with tough competition from Chinese brands. These Chinese companies have been gaining ground in the market, offering more affordable options that are giving traditional car makers a run for their money. Nissan's not just focusing on cutting costs, they're also investing in smarter manufacturing. By embracing the Nissan Intelligent Factory concept, which relies heavily on robots, they're speeding up production and making it more efficient. Plus, they're planning to introduce families of electric vehicles, where variations of a main design will be rolled out, cutting costs even further and getting cars to customers faster. But wait, there's more. Nissan is teaming up with fellow Japanese carmaker Honda to tackle electric vehicle technology together. By joining forces, they're hoping to pool their resources and drive down development costs, making electric cars even more accessible for everyone. With big plans to boost sales in the US and China, Nissan is charging full speed ahead into the electric vehicle future. Get ready to see more Nissan electric cars on the roads, and maybe even in your driveway very soon.